Today, I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious homemade donuts. Just let's get started without no further ado. But before that, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Inside this bowl, I have three pieces of eggs already inside this bowl. So I'm putting in my milk, 1 cup of milk. Then I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then I'll mix very well. Two teaspoons. Then I'm adding my 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then 1 teaspoon. I'll mix again. All-purpose flour. That's 4 cups of my all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to mix again. Like 1 tablespoon of salt. Then 2 tablespoons of butter. To mix. Now I'm about to kneading my dough. I'm just going to pour in my dough on my board, my cotton board. Though I've already applied my oil on my cotton board, so it won't stick on it. Then after kneading my dough for 20 minutes, I'm just going to put it back into my bowl, just so it's going to swell. I'm just going to cover it up so it swell and double in size as you're seeing it right now. Then I'll serve and then fry. Though after serving, I left it for 10 minutes, so it's going to swell after serving before I fry. This is the outcome of our donuts. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you feel about this video. You know, this only tastes so good, like oh god.